Thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome back to my channel, Headlines Trending. If you see this video, it means you are my subscribers. If not, then YouTube recommends it. Having various types of defense equipment to strengthen defense has become an urgency, especially to maintain its sovereignty. One of the most important defense equipment is the fighter jet. This type of aircraft is relied on to maintain the security of an airspace or to attack enemies. In recent weeks, surprising news has circulated from Lockheed Martin. Lockheed Martin is a security company headquartered in Bethesda, Maryland. Global Aerospace employs approximately 113,000 people worldwide. Lockheed Martin said it was proud of the important security role of the State of Israel. The F-16 fighter aircraft has served the Israeli Air Force faithfully since the 1970s and 1980s. This was done since the official letter of agreement was signed in October 2010. Israel became the first country to choose the F-35 through the United States. Surprisingly, Israel has two of Lockheed Martin's most sophisticated fighter aircraft, but they never operated during the conflict with Palestinian Hamas forces. Although there are three fighter aircraft that we have previously discussed, namely IA-Kfir, IA-Nasser, and IA Levi. Here are two deadly fighter jets ready to support Israel that the world doesn't know about. Reported from the official Lockheed Martin website a few days ago. F-16 Fighting Falcon. The F-16 has been the most important fighter jet in the Israeli Air Force for nearly 35 years. Since the arrival of the first F-16 Falcon fighter aircraft in 1980, the F-16 has proven its capabilities in a variety of prestigious operations and earned a prominent position in the Air Force. Over the years, the Air Force has ordered additional groups of more advanced F-16 fighters, such as the F-16C and most recently the F-16 Safa. Lockheed Martin has supplied the Israeli Air Force with 100 to 2-seat F-16 Safa fighters, a model tailored specifically for Israel. The first Safa fighters arrived in February 2004, and the entire number ordered was delivered within 5 years. Thanks to this acquisition, Israel owns the largest fleet of F-16 fighter aircraft outside the United States. F-35 Lightning II. It is the world's only international fifth-generation multi-role fighter aircraft. The F-35 Lightning II was created in the mid-1990s, designed to dominate the skies, incorporating the characteristics of the fifth generation. This fighter aircraft is capable of radar-evading stealth, supersonic speed, and extreme agility. On the 22nd of June 2016, The Israeli Air Force received the first F-35A Adir for Israel at a ceremony at the F-35 factory in Fort Worth, Texas. The Israeli Air Force declared its F-35 fleet operationally capable in December 2017, marking the completion of intensive integration and training efforts conducted at Nevatim AFB, Israel. The Israeli Air Force gave the F-35 the Hebrew name Adir, which means mighty one in Hebrew. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I hope you like it. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe. We hope you are always healthy and have a happy day.